We'll guide you through how to make 3D text in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, jump into Figma and open an existing project or start a new file if you are working from scratch. Once everything has loaded, make sure you are inside a frame. If not, press F on your keyboard to activate the frame tool, then click and drag on the canvas to create one at any size you like. Next, select the text tool from the toolbar and click inside the frame to type any text you want to turn into a 3D design. When you are finished typing, press Escape to exit text editing mode. With the text layer selected, head over to the typography section in the right-hand panel and change the font weight to bold. While the text is still selected, adjust the font size to whatever works best for your design. Now press Ctrl and D to duplicate the text, creating a copy directly on top of the original. With the duplicate selected, tap the right arrow key a couple of times. Then tap the down arrow key a couple of times to shift it slightly. After that, press Ctrl and D around 5 or 6 more times. Figma will repeat the same offset automatically, creating several stacked copies that build up the depth effect. Once you are happy with the amount of depth, click on an empty area of the canvas to deselect everything. In the Layers panel on the left, expand your frame and select the very top text layer from the stack. Head back to the right panel, find the Fill section, and click the color swatch. Choose any color you like for the front layer so it stands out clearly from the copies underneath. Press Escape to close the color picker, then click on an empty part of the canvas to view the finished 3D text effect. Finally, save your work by pressing Ctrl and S on Windows or Command and S on a Mac.